Hey, welcome. So today's video is about questions foreigners frequently ask when in Japan. Here we go. Do you speak English? Do you understand English? Can you try to speak it? Not even a little? Oh, where did you study English? What's this? What is this? 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 What the fuck? What the? This tentacle looking mother heifer. What the hell y'all people eat here? Excuse me, do you know where the train station is? Is it true what they say about Japanese people? Do you guys only take one bath a day? Do you women have the tightest? Can you read this for me? What the fudge? Is this cooked? How do you eat this? Is it dead? Okay. Will you teach me Japanese? Why is the place so goddamn hot? Excuse me. What the hell is that? What am I supposed to do with that?
Toilet is. You gotta squat.
Hell no, bruh.